If you've ever doubted that you can pipe beautiful cupcakes like this, do not doubt yourself. In less than 10 minutes, I will show you how to decorate beautiful cupcakes. Now this tin is not got sweets in it, it's got my piping tips. I'm using a piping tip coupler, which is the white bits that comes in two parts. It allows me to be able to change the piping tip from the same bag, and you'll see later on what I mean. I do have a full video showing you what a piping tip coupler is, so I'll put that in the description section. And this is another way of filling in your piping bag. So you see I held it open and I gently just scooped the buttercream into the piping bag, give it a shake, and then what you want to do is you want to sort of smoosh the buttercream all the way down the piping bag gently. So you can use the back of a knife or any sort of flat object to gently just push and squeeze the buttercream into the piping bag until it's there all the way, pushing it down, and then it's ready to go. I'm using my American buttercream, which is super easy to make. I have a tutorial on this, so you can watch this as well. And you can see it's a bright red buttercream, which can be tricky to make, and I have a video showing you how to make this as well. So once you've filled in your piping bag, make sure you prime it. You prime it by squeezing a little bit out from the tip to make sure that the buttercream is all the way down. And the last thing that you want to do is to secure the end of the piping bag so that when you squeeze it, it goes the right way. You can either use a clip or just a tie or just hold it firmly. Now we're going to start by piping some rosettes. So let's have a look at the technique. You want to lift slightly off the cupcake, squeeze, and then go in a circular fashion to make the rosette. So here we go. Squeeze, go round in a circle and lift up. Whenever you are decorating cupcakes, it's best to do it in a batch form. Pipe one style on all the cupcakes before continuing to the next. So here you can see I'm taking the top end of the coupler, and you can see the second bit is still intact, so it allows me to change the piping tip and still use the same bag. So if you haven't got a piping tip coupler and you like piping, this will save you so much time and money because you don't have to keep using lots of different piping bags. Now the piping tips that I'm using for the rosette, you can either use like an 18 or 21 tip, which is a star-shaped tip. And now I'm just going to be making some wavy patterns. You need a petal tip for that. So 101, 102, 103, 104 would do. So with this one, this is a Wilton tip 104, and you just want to squeeze and then just gently go in a zigzag pattern to make that beautiful design on your cupcake. And again, you will see that I'm doing it in batches. So I'm doing the same thing over and over again on all the different cupcakes. And this will save you time and effort, and actually is the most efficient way to decorate your cupcakes. Now, if you are enjoying this video and you haven't subscribed, let me tell you, you are missing out on my tutorials. I post multiple videos every week on easy to follow cake tutorials, cake recipes, and decorating videos that will help you make cakes that not only taste amazing, also look good. So do subscribe to my channel and start learning today. And to finish up, I'm just adding tiny droplets and mini rosettes to fill up the space. And there you have it, beautifully decorated cupcakes using two piping tips. And I hope that from watching this video, you'll be encouraged to actually try this at home. It's super easy. If you've got any questions, any troubles, I'm always here to help you. Just drop it in the comment section and I will answer all your questions. Until next time, happy baking and happy cake decorating.